In this lesson, you're going to learn how to get help when working in Live. Let's start with the Help menu in the Help view. Notice all the options here. Let's select Help view. On the right of Live's interface, we can see the Help view. To close it, click on the X here. Use the Help menu to open it again. Here you can access Ableton's built-in lesson system, which is actually how I first learned Live way back in 2002. You can also access the manual from down here or from the Help menu. Make sure to check out Ableton's manual. It is really good. Now just click on a link and then use the buttons at the bottom to navigate through a lesson. Up here at the top, the back and forward buttons are for navigating your history, and you can always get back to the start page with this home button here. Many of the lessons have live sets that you can open to follow along. Like here when we click What's New in Live 11. This is the project that opens the very first time that you launch Live. At the bottom of the lessons homepage is even a lesson on how to navigate the lessons. One tip when using Live: there is always and only one set open at a time, so closing the sets window actually quits the application. If you want to start a new set, just go to the File menu and choose New Live Set. Let's close the Help view and move on. Ableton not only gives us built-in lessons, but also a way to get information about anything that's under our pointer. On the bottom left here is the Info view. Notice how it updates as I move around the mouse. To show and hide the Info view, you need to type question mark, which is Shift plus backslash. Right under the Info view is the status bar. This area won't always have something visible, but it does often give us useful information about various things that we click on, select, or mouse over. For example, the volume setting at this fader. This is easy to miss, so check it out from time to time until you get used to Live a bit. That's it for this lesson. Take some time to make sure you can open the manual and hide the Help and Info views. In the next lesson, we're going to look at the audio preferences to make sure you can hear the sound coming out of Live.